Hi, I'm Catherine from Indagare, and I'm checking into Heckfield Place. Come and follow me inside.
Only 1 hour from London, Heckfield is tucked away in the picturesque Hampshire countryside. I love this property for its stunning gardens and woodlands, flowers, which are picked daily to decorate the hotel, restaurants, whether you're craving farm-to-table fare from the green Michelin star Marl or open fire cooking at hearth, cozy, thoughtful, and sophisticated interiors, plus its private art collection, 17,000 square foot wellness sanctuary, the Bothy. No photos are allowed in here, but I promise it will leave you speechless and relaxed. And always end your day with a cocktail at Moon Bar.